Hello students, so we were discussing about the MS Excel 2010. We have discussed in the last chapter, we have discussed about the types of data. So these are the types of data which we can enter in the Excel, like general, number, currency, accounting, the short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific. So these are some types of data. So the next okay, now let us see about how to do the different types of data that we can enter in the Excel. So using the drop down menu of the number format, so as you can see these are the different types of options that are appearing here, like the general, then we have the number. General means ABCD letters or the numbers, or if you want only the numbers you can use the number option. Then we have the currency, then accounting, then the short date, long date. So there are different types of data that we can enter in the Excel. Okay, so these are the different types of data types. So if you go to the next part, using the format cells dialog box. Okay, so how to use a format cell dialog box? First of all, you have to go to the home tab. After going to the home tab, you will be getting an option here. You can see on the side of the number, you will be getting an option. When you click on that option, will be a group of box will be appearing here. This is the format cell option, where you will be getting number, alignment, font, border, field, and the protection. Okay, so these are different types. So where we can use a number, so you will be getting the same data type option will be appearing here also. You can select anyone and just click on OK. So that type of data you can enter on the MS Excel 2010. Then if you go to the next part, how to enter data in the Excel. So for entering data in the Excel, when you open the Excel page or the worksheet, so when you open the worksheet, you click on any of the box, and as soon as you click on any of the box, you can edit there. You can write your numbers, dates, anything that you want to like, you can enter it there. Okay, the same formula or the formula bar, the same thing will be appearing here. If you want to edit the text that you have entered, suppose there is a spelling mistake, you can go here, or you can double click it here. When you double click it here, you can edit. Okay, you can edit it, so you can change what you want to change. Then suppose if I go to the next part, using the autofill option. Autofill option is like pasting the same thing but to a different cells. Like suppose it is as it is shown here, number 2 it is written on the cell address A2. Okay, you just click on here and you just drag it. When you just drag it, the same numbers will be copied on the right hand side, or if you want to drag it below, it will be also copying towards the below. Then this is the autofill option. Then if I go to the same next option, if you want to enter different types of data, like suppose if you want to enter the days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or if you want to different way also you can use, like the month also you can use. Okay, so you can enter different data in a particular cells in the adjacent cells. For example, the days of a week, months in a year. Suppose if I enter Sunday here, and if you drag it, the next option will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Or if you suppose enter here December, the next option will be January, February. So it will be going on if you are dragging it. This is how the autofill options work. Then if I go to the next part about editing data in the cells, this I have already told. You just double click on the cell and you can edit the cells. If there is a spelling mistake, or if you have forgot to enter some data there. The last part is saving a workbook. How to save a workbook? For saving the workbook, you go to the file tab. Okay, you will go to the file tab. You will be getting an option called as save as and save option. If you click on the save as option, after clicking on the save option, this box will be appearing where you want to save the file. Okay, like suppose if I select on the D drive, okay, D drive, you will be getting a file and you just enter the file name and you just enter the save. So this is how we can enter save a workbook. So I have given some question answers for this, so you please go through that question answers. Thank you.